Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no signal on your Vizio TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a no signal notification on your Vizio TV. How do you actually go ahead and fix that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first what we're going to do is that we're going to click on the menu button on our remote control. And then you want to make sure that your Vizio TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. So in order to check if your Wi-Fi works, check any relevant devices that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, such as your mobile device or a laptop. And just make sure that your Vizio TV is connected to the Wi-Fi. Next, what I did is that you could actually go ahead and turn your TV off and then go ahead and unplug your TV, okay? So once you unplug your TV, the key thing is that you want to leave it unplugged for about a minute or so. So leave it unplugged for about a minute, and during that minute, you want to press and hold the power button on the back of your TV for at least 30 seconds. So once you do so, ensure that the minute is up and then replug in back your TV and then turn it back on. So once your Vizio TV is turned back on, check and see if the no signal icon still appears. If the no signal icon still appears, what you can try next is that you can grab your Vizio TV remote and click on menu. And then from here, you want to navigate to where it says system. And then you want to click on reboot TV. So this is another way to actually go ahead and force your system to power off and reset. So if that still doesn't work, the next thing you can do is that you can grab your remote, click on menu, and then click on system. And then navigate to where it says check for updates. So click on check for updates, and this is going to ensure that your Vizio TV is up to date with the latest version, therefore reducing any chances for bugs or issues that you might come across. Now the very last thing that you can do is that if you still get the no signal notification, you can click on the menu button again, navigate to where it says system and click on system, and then scroll down to where it says reset and admin. And what this is going to do is that it's going to do a factory reset of your Vizio TV, meaning that all its settings are going to be restored to factory defaults. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix no signal on your Vizio TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.